Hello, my babies. Welcome back to another tutorial. If you are new here, baby, thank you for viewing and make sure you subscribe. Um, yeah, so I think the title says it all. Valentine's Day is approaching quickly but slowly, and I want to go ahead and get some looks out for you guys. I'm gonna try to get 3 out. But yeah, I don't know. At this rate, I think I'm doing pretty good. So this one is going to be the first one. It's just going to be a basic pink cut crease. I'm not going to do a whole lot of talking for this video and go into too much detail because I do have other videos, very detailed videos on my cut creases that you can view, and I'll make sure that I link them down in the description box. Now, I do want to let you guys know some of the new products that I'm using. First, it's going to be the Milk Cosmetics Hydro Grip Primer. Y'all, this primer is amazing. It literally grips your face, and the product that you put on it. I'm going to show you how after I put it on my face, like it becomes tacky almost. It's amazing. I do suggest that you try it. It's probably one of the best primers that I've used. So yeah, first shade I'm going to be using, well, first of all, I'm using the new Persuasion palette by Believe Beauty, by Beauty by Melissa. First shade is going to be Caramel, and I'm going to be tapping that directly under my brow bone. I don't want to leave any negative space or blank space. I'm going directly under, okay, because I'm going to be putting some dimension there before I start to cut my crease, but we'll get into that later. So I wanted to bring you guys in closer so that you could see how I'm building up the next shade on top of Caramel, which this next shade is called Cafe. It's going to help bring that dimension that I was talking about. I'm also going to put just a little bit of that black shade, Black Girl Magic, under Cafe, but I just didn't put that into the filming. But once it all blends out, you'll be able to see how it goes from lighter to very deep, almost giving my brow more space, the illusion of more space. Yeah, so I wanted you guys to see what tones that I was using. The first one is going to be blush. I did also use Fabergé. I did also use Fabergé, and I wanted you to see how I took a small detailed angled brush to get the lining of the cut. Okay, I didn't want to go in with a fat blending brush or a packer brush and potentially go over that defined line there that I made for the dimension, because there was no way that I would have been able to blend that. I would have had to go back in and do more work, and honey, I just don't feel like doing it. Like, who wants to start over when you've already gotten so far? So yeah, I just take a detailed brush and I go over the lining, and then I go back in with a packer brush to fill in the more spacey area, okay? After I put those shades down, I'm going to go on top of it with rosé. Now, I film with my phone. I haven't gotten a camera yet, so my phone didn't really give the rosé tone justice, but it was so pretty. It looked like a rosé, like a champagne color on top of the blush shadow. It was just beautiful. So I went into Ulta to try the new Juvia's Place I Am Magic Radiance Foundation. And the girl who helped me did not give me the correct shade. Y'all, this is the second time that I've gone into a cosmetic store and they've given me the wrong shade. And it's so frustrating. Like, I mean, come on. We supposed to trust y'all. Like, I don't get it. But anyways, when I blend it out, it's like a shade darker than what I actually am. You know, this would be a great tone for the summertime, but not for the winter. But y'all know I made it work. Yeah, so after blending out my concealer, you know, it didn't look so bad, but like, do you guys have that problem? Like, let me know in the comments. Do you go into cosmetic stores, Ulta, Sephora, MAC? You know, do y'all go in these different places and you trust these people to give you the right shade or right tone and they give you the wrong one? Like, oh my gosh. Especially when you genuinely like the product, because I like this product. I like Juvia's Place. I like the way the foundation sat. It was very long lasting. I didn't feel like heavy in the face or anything, but it just, like, even when I blended out my concealer, you could see the difference. Like, it really hurt my heart. But do you guys have this problem? Let me know in the comments. What do you do? Do you take it back? Do you make a complaint? Do you contact the actual company? Like, what do you do? I need to know what to do. Yeah, I have a really bad problem with putting my hand in front of the lens. I'm gonna get better with that. But here I am just using the I Am Magic powder foundation. by Juvia's Place, which is also new. And y'all, I was shook, okay? So instead of using it as a foundation, I used it as a pressed powder under my eye, and it just like, y'all, look at the difference. Look at the left side compared to the right side. Like, set, matte. Do you hear me? Do you see it? Do you feel it? Because, baby, I feel it, okay? Yeah, I loved it. I don't really use powders as a foundation. I always go for liquid foundations. But if that's your thing, you should definitely try that. It's really good formula, really light, and definitely full coverage. Y'all, Danny really likes to get on my nerves while I'm filming. I have no idea why she chooses to come into my beauty room when she knows that I'm filming. Like, girl, leave me alone. Okay, y'all, so after putting on my bronzer, I did pop on some rhinestones along the lining of my cut and the dimension. And I'm just using duo eyelash glue to put on these rhinestones, y'all. It's really the best thing to use. I also put on some highlighter, Beats by Deb Cosmetics, in the shade Miami Beach. Y'all already know that it's my favorite highlighter. Popped on my lashes, and baby girl, the look was flawless, okay? Give him hell. I absolutely love the way it turned out. Yeah, it was just giving. It was giving everything that it was supposed to give. Y'all know I had to put on my new lip and just give it to the girls. So yeah, make sure that y'all are tuned in for the next tutorial on the next Valentine's Day look. I think I'm gonna do something really sultry with a red lip. But yeah, y'all, enjoy that low light, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, boo boo. Stay tapped in, girl. Bye.